Girl, look at that body. Girl, look at that body. Girl, look at that body.
Hey guys, we're back again with another giveaway video for our grand opening event on June 27th. Today, I have our truck bed expert, Danny, here to talk more about this NXG truck body.
Thank you, Selena. Huge shout out to NXG Truck Bodies for donating this XFD model to us. Cool thing about this bed here will be these automotive grade style lights with 3-in-1 application, running, signal, and reverse. Your integrated step over there in the back, your receiver hitch rated at 24,500 pounds, and a gooseneck ball rated at 30,000 pounds. And best of all is, you get this with a free install through us here at Happy Trailers.
So super cool things are happening here at Happy Trailers, and if you're not at our grand opening event on June 27th, you're missing out. And hey, a little birdie told me we are now at over $40,000 worth in giveaways, so you're missing out if you don't show up. Stay tuned to see more giveaways that we have in store. Okay, here we go.
Yeah?